Now let's talk about cardiovascular specialties, terms, all the definitions of cardiovascular. So cardiology means what? Cardiology refers to the heart, okay? Ology means study of. So what is it? Cardiology is the study of disorders of the. So what is a cardiologist? Cardio refers to the heart. Ologist refers to studies. So remember, a cardiologist specializes in disorders of the heart, and the cardiologist can order tests, they can obviously interpret tests, and they can advise patients on their options. What is an interventional cardiologist? It basically is a subspecialty of cardiologists that can perform advanced cardiac procedures, such as a catheter-based procedures. And a cardiac surgeon they can perform major procedures of the heart and vessels. Electrophysiologist, so it's a subspecialty in cardiology. Electro refers to electricity. Physio means related to physiology. Ologist means one who studies. So basically, physiology is the study of the science and processes of the human body. And electrophysiology basically deals with the relationship between the electric phenomena and the biological function. So what they do is they work is a person who works with the body's electrical and biological functions. And then electrophysiologist, cardiologist is basically electrophysiologist that studies the human heart impulses, like different EKGs, very complex EKGs.